Hey guys, welcome to HK Labs. I know I haven't posted anything lately. Life has been a little bit crazy this past few months. I moved to Vancouver, Canada, and yeah, I've just been settling in. But anyway, in the past, I've posted videos on tutorials and one devlog. Now I have 7 games whose devlogs I want to post. And so that's what I'm going to do in these upcoming days, weeks, hopefully not months. I'm going to post devlogs about those games. Each game had its own constraint, whether it be time constraint or development constraint, different sorts of constraints for each type of game. So we're going to go through the constraints, we're going to go through what we did. Yes, I said we, it was a team. I've worked with different teams on all the different games, and yeah, I'll be posting devlogs on how we made the games. And because of time constraints, there were certain things that we couldn't do at that time, so I'm gonna be putting some things in the game that we weren't able to put before. Obviously, I'm not gonna change it too much because one constraint that was common across all the games was the amount of time that we had. And if I make the game into something totally different by adding more and more features, I feel like it won't stay true to the original constraint that we had of the time. So I'm just gonna be working on minor things, maybe fixing some major issues, and mostly focusing on adding support for multiple platforms, Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, maybe even launch it to the Play Store. We'll see how this goes on. But yeah, obviously tutorials will also keep coming, and if you like what you see, you may consider subscribing. The button is somewhere here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day or good evening wherever you are. Bye.